Boys and girls, before we look at question number 4, I would like to explain it to you so it is so easy for you to do. This says least to greatest. Let's look at this. Let's do our columns again. Ones, tens, hundreds. Boys and girls, when you are looking at a 3-digit number, and these are all 3-digit numbers, the one with the greatest number of hundreds is the largest number. So this has 4 hundreds, this number has 3 hundreds, this number has 3 hundreds. So this had 4 hundreds, the next number had 3 hundreds, and the third number had 3 hundreds. So we want least, the smallest. Least is the smallest number. Think of least as less than, small, to greatest, grande, big, the largest. So, having 400s makes it the greatest. We can list the tens and ones, but we really did not need to because at 400s, which we should all know, is greater than 300s. So this is not the least number. But now look at the next two numbers. They both have 3 in the hundreds place. What do we do now? Now we must look in the tens column to find out the smallest number. 311. That only has 1 10. 363. That has 6 tens. What number is smaller? 1 10 or 6 tens? Obviously, 1 10 is smaller than 6 tens. I will write the ones just to write it. But now we know 311 is our smallest or littlest number. So to write these numbers in order from least to greatest, we will write 311. The next one with 300s was 363. And finally, our greatest number, 431. And that is simply how you do least to greatest. Boys and girls, let's take a look at this question. It deals with least to greatest, which I just showed you how to do. Let's read the question. The distance from Gail's house to 3 cities is shown in the table below. Let's look at the question. Which shows the distances in order from least, the smallest, to the greatest, the largest? Let's see which city. City X had 250 miles. City Y was 139 miles. City Z was 167 miles. What is the first city we can get rid of? As I showed you previously, if there is more in the hundreds columns, it is a greater number. So that is not the least. Look at city Y and Z. They both have a 100 in the hundreds column. So we need to look in the tens column to see which is the least or the smallest number. City Y has 3 tens. City Z has 6 tens. So City Y, 3 tens represents 30. City Z, 6 tens represents 60. 30 is less than 60, so that is our least, our smallest number. So the correct answer is D. And let me write it down for you. 139 miles, 167 miles, and the largest being 250 miles with a 2 in the hundreds column. See, it's easy, boys and girls.